What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Destiny Jean, and I am back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a thumbnail with using Canva. This girl, hold on. Sorry guys, I should have had this information already. It's this girl that commented on one of my videos, and she asked if I can do a thumbnail video. And I wanted to give her a shout out, Miss Alasia Brienne. Alasia Brienne. Thank you, Miss Alasia Brienne, for recommending this video. And I told you, I was like, girl, I'm gonna do it next week. And I'm doing it next week, and that is this week. So that's what I'm gonna be showing y'all today. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button because it is fun here, it is lit here, and you are going to have a great time. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Let's get right into this video. So one thing I do want to say about creating thumbnails, which I am going to show you guys how to create a thumbnail, but before I do that, I do want to explain the importance of taking the pictures that go into your thumbnail. So I'm not going to talk about this a lot, probably for like a minute or two, and then show you guys. But one of the important things about creating thumbnails, obviously, are the pictures that you put in your thumbnails. So it has to be something that is appealing to the human eye, something that you find is appealing. So for example, like when I do my thumbnails, I make sure if it's something that I seen on YouTube and I'm scrolling, would I click that video? That's literally what pops up in my head, like would I click that video? Another thing too, I always get inspo from a lot of people that I watch and follow, like Kyla Shay, who else? Courtney B, my sis Courtney B. At this point, me and Courtney B, we're sisters because she follows me on Instagram. So Courtney B, Angwi, who else is one of my favorite YouTubers? Alexis Rebecca. I could probably name like 2 or 3 more, but when I look at theirs, I'm just like, oh, I want to do something similar. And it is okay. It is okay to get an idea from a YouTuber or an idea from somebody and like make it your own twist. Like a lot of people are just like, oh my gosh, I don't copy at all. Like, I don't get inspiration at all. If it's one thing that Destiny gonna do is find inspiration. Like, I'm gonna make sure I find inspiration. So I usually go off of like other YouTubers, and that'll help me because it's like, what are they doing? What is helping them like get big or whatever like that? Or I'll just think about one of my old ones that I had that like got me buzzed or whatever like that. It also depends on the content you're creating. So you're doing, I don't know, an unboxing. The thumbnail, for example, might be the box of the computer or the iPad or whatever like that, and you smiling, or you're like, oh my gosh, like I'm doing an unboxing. Like you have to have that creativity, you have to have that personality. If you do, like I do a lot of vlogs or hauls. If I do a haul, I'm going to show 3 to 5 of the outfits that are in that haul, and I want to make sure it's like the best 3 to 5 outfits that I love or like that I look best in. Obviously, if I do a vlog, I'm always going to do a bomb picture that I took of myself on vacation or during that vlog. I'm going to put something that I ate or drank, and then I'm usually going to put, say if I'm in Miami or something like that, it's going to be a picture of the trees or the ocean. It's going to be a scenery pic. A little bit of background about that. Oh, another thing too, I always make sure I have at least 3 to 5 pictures in my thumbnail as well. I always make sure it's 3 to 5. Like I do have this one thumbnail, I don't even know, maybe I'll pop it on the screen. Like I have this one thumbnail, my DC thumbnail. It's one of my like favorite thumbnails because it shows like me, it shows DC, it just gives the vibe. And then another thing that I'll say, and then I'll show you guys how to make it on Canva because I don't want to chat y'all ears off because that's what we do on this channel. So another thing too, you want to make sure that the font or whatever you're showing is big enough for everyone to see. And you want to make sure that it's like it's not too much going on either. So if you have like 3 to 5 pictures, you don't want all these words on the screen. Like if it's a vlog, just put like vlog or like New York City vlog, Miami vlog, like something small, you know. Or some people put like New York City vlog, and then like right under it small they'll put like shopping for a car, eating with friends, and taking Instagram pictures. I don't know, like they'll put like something real small, but you just don't want a lot of words. I'm itchy. You just don't want a lot of words or a lot of what is going on. What the heck? You want to make sure that the font is big. You want to make sure that whatever people see, that's what, like whatever font you have, you want to make sure it's what people see. When I do my thumbnails, I always make sure that I remember that some people are watching on their phone. That helps me a lot. So I'm always thinking like, yes, I can see this very big on my computer, but if someone is looking at it on their phone, they're not going to see that fine print that I put in there. So I want to make sure it's big enough for everybody to read. If it's New York City vlog, I want to make sure that's like the main thing that they read, you know, stuff like that. I did save some pictures on my phone. I'll put them in my favorites. I'm just probably going to do, I'll probably show you like 1 or 2 examples. I didn't do a New York City vlog, but I was thinking about doing a New York City vlog, so I guess we'll do a thumbnail for that. Okay, so we are over at my computer. This is my digital vision board that I love so much. Let me type in my password. If I remember my password. Uh-oh. Hold on, y'all. That should be it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that was weird. I don't know. I guess I forgot my freaking password and my battery is about to die. So that's trash. Alright, so first you're going to open up your Canva. Look, my digital vision board. Let me see. My Wi-Fi, bro. What is going on? Like, this is acting so ghetto. Okay, y'all, so I don't know what was going on with my Wi-Fi. I had to like restart my computer and everything. But we are going to start by going on canva.com and then hitting create a design. Now, when you do this and you hit YouTube thumbnail, it'll automatically size it out how it should be. So here it says templates, elements, uploads, text, styles, logos, and more. So I really only use text, uploads, and elements. But you're going to hit upload. And then upload media, excuse me, and then you are going to excuse me, you are going to look, let me see, I saved everything on my desktop, all my pictures. So like I said, I'm going to do a New York vlog. Well, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Upload a New York vlog. I'm not going to post it, but I just got some pictures. All right, so now I'm gonna go back here. Now, on the side, elements, I'm sorry, and then search grid. When you search grid, it'll show you, sorry, it looks kind of blurry. There you go. When you search grid, it has all the different type of grids. So you can do like 2, 3. I usually do this one right here, where it's like 1 picture and then 2 right here. Sometimes I'll do, let me see, that one. Oh, I'll do something like this, where it's that long one and then 3 others. Just whatever you think is best. I wouldn't do the 4 unless it's like, I see a lot of people do this 4 when it's like a maintenance vlog. You put like hair and nails, makeup, something like that, like 4 things that they're doing. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3. I think I'm going to do my typical. I'm going to do 2 or 3. I think I'm going to do this. Now, I don't like spacing in mine, but if you want to keep the spacing, you can. I always take the spacing out. And then you're going to go back to uploads and drag where you want the picture. So, of course, I'm going to drag me right here because I want me to be seen the most. Purr. He gonna meet Big Purr. And then I'm going to do New York. Drag that here. Then I'm going to do like food. Like I said, I always do like a food or a drink. And then there you go. So now what I'm going to do is you can click each one and customize it. So what I always do on my pictures, double click, make sure like it's where you want it. Probably do it like right there. And then you're going to hit edit image. I'll always put my contrast up. Let me see. Can y'all see? I always put my contrast up. It makes it like kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Not darker, but like more. And I don't think vibrant either. It makes it more like, it's hard to explain. But I always put my contrast up. That's on 30. And then my brightness up a little bit. But my main thing is the contrast. And that's all I do with that. So with this picture over here, this New York picture, I'm going to move it down a little bit so people can see a bridge. I'm going to do that and then hit done. Hit edit image. Wait, let me see. Actually, you can't really see. I want to see. Let me see. I'm going to move it back up because I like the street. But I wanted to show the bridge. Let me see, it's just a little bit. There you go. And then I'm going to click this picture, hit edit image, and then like I said, contrast. It just gives it like, I don't even know how to explain it, y'all. Contrast is it. And I didn't know that at first. Like I always would just do the brightness. I'm gonna do the brightness a little bit, and I literally don't put the brightness past like 10 at all. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the third picture. So I'm gonna move this up a little bit. done, you know, edit, contrast. It makes it so like vibrant, I guess the word is. And that's what I was saying. And I used to never do that. Like I will always just do brightness. And I'm like, yo, contrast is where it's at. So that would be like the thumbnail. And then in your title or your text, you always want it to be something, again, like this is intriguing to the human eye. Or, you know, so since this is intriguing to the human eye, now when you hit text over here, you can pick which text you want. Now, I do have the version where I pay for this every month. I think it's like $13 a month. So I get like all the fonts. I get like everything that the website has to offer. But they have a lot of free options as well. So this is one that I use a lot. This like, I'll show you. Like that type of vibe. And you can put like vlog and then put like New York or New York vlog or something like that. But I'm going to go back. Trying to think, there's so many different fonts. You always want to do something like this or something where you can see like this Be Brave one. You don't want that. Like you see how it just looks like you don't want that. It has to go good with the picture. That's a mess. Oh, this one, Glow, is my favorite. This is my favorite. So you can highlight it and I'm gonna put vlog and then put new NYC. I'm gonna just do New York City. It looks big. You highlight it. I'm going to put it down to like 200 maybe. Nah, that's still too big. 150. Yep. Perfect. And I can put it right in the middle. Matter of fact, that's still too big. Let's do 100, y'all. He told me to throw it back about. While I'm sitting here showing y'all this, did y'all even subscribe to me yet or no? Y'all not feeling me? I'm so sad. Okay. So, vlog New York City. I'll make sure, hold on, I don't know why this is so like that. Bam. That's simple. That's how you make a thumbnail. Now, I can keep it there or I can go back to my fonts. And usually if I do something big like that and I want something underneath, I will go to like something like this. Add a subheading, add a heading. I'll do a heading because it's bold. And I'll put like brunch. What else did we do? We did something called Beat the Bomb, which was really fun, but no one's gonna know. Like that's an example too. Like no one's gonna know what Beat the Bomb is. Like what? So maybe I could put brunch, fun activities. And when you do something like this where you do, sorry, my nails are a mess. I'm in the process of about to get them done, cut them down. But when you do something like with like underneath, I always do at least 3, like brunch, fun activities, and I don't know. I'm about to just make something up. And swimming. I didn't swim, y'all, but I'm just putting that to show y'all an example. Now this is very big and it's pink. I want it white, so you can hit A, white. And then that's white. And now I'm going to... Oh, here's the font. So you can also change the font here, y'all. But I'm going to change that. It's on 50. I'm going to change it to like 25. And make it smaller. Then I'm going to click it and just drag it underneath. Brunch, fun activities, and swimming. See? And just like that, that's how I make a thumbnail. Now, another thing that I love that was new, like I said, I do the contrast and everything. Another thing that I love that's new, say like this, for example. If you hit, this will let you know if you want it like alignment, like in the middle, to the right, whatever like that. This is if you want it like bullet points or anything like that, which we don't want. This is spacing. I like this. This is letter spacing. See how far away they get? Like they space each and every letter, which I'm going to put it back a little bit. Line spacing. This is if I had something like right underneath it, it would like break it up even more. And then effects. This is if, look, all this fun stuff. So right now it's on neon, but I can make it glitch. Like that's what glitch looks like. Background, which like if you want a background. I feel like less is more, so I feel like that's a lot. But if that's what you like, that's cool too. Just keep it with that. And then another thing that I like is if you hit, where is it? Is it here? Yes. So these 3 dots, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. So these 3 dots, if you hit this one right here, transparency, it like, look what it does to the vlog New York City. It like fades it away. See how it look like it's like fading away? So that's the vlog, the vlog. That's the vibe too. Like a lot of people like their stuff looking like, you see how vibrant? Some people don't like it all vibrant. They'll put their text like a little faded like that. And then I can fade this one too underneath it. The 3 lines and then hit transparency. But then, yeah, there you go. You can't really see it. But it just goes to show, like, I do like the transparency vibe. And then here's position. That's if you want something like behind the, like, say you have like I can't think, a YouTube emoji or whatever like that, like a YouTube icon, and then like a star icon. Look, I can just show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. All right, so we're gonna go back over here. I zoomed in, but where is it? Oops. We're gonna go back over here and I'm gonna just hit elements. So if you go to elements, you can type in whatever, like YouTube, Instagram. It'll type in the Instagram logo, whatever. So let me see if I do YouTube. Say if I want, which I would never, like this vlog, like this, I'm done. But I just want to show you guys a little bit, like some other effects that you can use for like your other videos and stuff like that. So YouTube, I can click this if I want, if I want to put that in there. And then say if I want, I'm gonna look up flower. Then I want this. Let me see. All right, so now I'm gonna show you what I would do with something like this. Don't you want to? Do y'all know that TikTok? All right, so say if I want this YouTube logo right here, I'm gonna make it smaller. And I'm gonna like turn it to the side a little bit. And then I want this flower over here. I'm gonna make that a little smaller. Put it like right here. Now remember when I went up here to where it says position, and if I put backward, the flower is going to go behind the YouTube. See? Or I can do forward. See? Back, forward. So that's what that means, back, forward. So you can do that. You can type in whatever you want in the text box, like YouTube, Instagram. Let me show you. You can put like Instagram, like say if you're looking up, say if you're doing a video that's like, oh, how I take pictures on Instagram or something. There's your Instagram logo. You can put that on there. Yep. See? Make that small. You can do whatever you can do whatever you want with that. Bam. You can get real like Canva like is the GOAT for real. But you can do that if you want. I feel like that's mainly it. Like this is the transparency thing I told you about, position. This is if you want to copy something. This is if you want to copy something as well, it'll duplicate it. Like say if I click the Instagram logo and hit duplicate, it'll be the same exact like size and everything. Like that means I don't have to resize it. I know it's the same, whatever like that. If you don't want something, obviously you just click on it and then hit delete. Click on it, hit delete. Click on it, hit delete. Click on it, hit delete. When you're done, you just hit download up here and then hit download. It'll download right to your computer. Okay, so I think that's basically the how to do a thumbnail video. I feel like that's mainly how it works. You just pick a few photos. The thing is, I don't really think it's hard making a thumbnail. I think the pictures and what you have written is what really matters. You want to make sure the pictures and like your thought process of what's going in on this thumbnail is what really matters. And you just got to ask yourself, like, would I click this video? Would I click this video? And I think in my other video, 5 ways on like what to do to start, what is it titled? I'm butchering my own title. 5 things I wish I knew before starting YouTube. There we go. I even at the end of that video, and that video also, if you didn't see it, there's a giveaway in that video. So I will go check that video out, and that drops February 1 is when I'm picking whoever. Well, not when I'm picking, when I pick out of a hat or whatever. In that video, I literally show like the difference in like my old thumbnail and my new thumbnail, which I might actually show y'all again so y'all can see. But I've come a long way. Like I've come a very long way. Oh my gosh, my phone, my camera's dying. Hold on. So I tell that to I gotta hurry up, my camera's dying. I'm so sorry. I really don't want it to close out on me. I think that was all I really had to say anyway. But thank you guys so much for watching. And if you did not subscribe, please subscribe. I would love if you could subscribe. If you have any questions, just let me know down below. And if you have any video ideas, let me know as well. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm so sorry that this had to like stop so abruptly, but I was done talking anyway. I just be chatting. So I was about to say the same thing that I probably said earlier, but I just be talking in circles. So, but yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.